Guys, welcome back to the channel, man. We had a whole bunch of snow, but we didn't have any here at the Sweet 16. But we thought, just for fun, man, we'd get out of the house for a little while and maybe we could just make snow day 2. You know what I'm saying? We made a snow day video a long time ago whenever we first started the channel, and we really haven't had any good snow since then, but we had some. We're gonna go find it. Glad y'all are here, but we're gonna go for a little bit of a drive. Guys, we took a ride up the Pig Trail, man. That's Highway 23 in Arkansas. And I'm telling you, it's scenic byway. And look at the snow, man. It is unbelievable. We're up here at an overlook. This is about the highest point on the byway. And man, it makes a huge difference. Like back at the Sweet 16, we didn't have any snow, but we drove like 2 or 3 minutes and we were in the snow. You guys already saw, we kind of put her in 4-wheel drive and went up some dirt roads and stuff like that. That's just right around the corner from the Sweet 16, but just that little bit of elevation, man, made a huge difference. But guys, these trees, man, are absolutely beautiful, just covered with snow. We got a real thick, wet snow, and went down and shot a video down in Fort Smith. Man, if you guys jumped on that video, that's just something fun. I always wanted to go shoot some snow video downtown, and that's where I live. I'm glad you guys are here, man. We're just having fun, having a little adventure today. We're gonna just keep on driving down the road, try to go find us something to eat, and show y'all what the snowfall looks like in the Ozarks, man. Glad y'all are here, but we're gonna get back on the road. Take a selfie of your face.
Okay, come on.
Yourself.
Come on.
All right, hang on. That's a banger. We might not have one like that for a while. You wanna take a couple more? I just hold the same smile the whole time. You get me to look serious? Mm-hmm. I call that straight face. All right, ready? Straight face on the count of 3. Straight face. 1, 2. You want to do one looking at each other?
Oh,
like
Lord.
That? Just kind of like a half glance. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2.
Oh, we're not supposed to be smiling?
Let's do a no smile. Straight face. Here we go. 1, 2.
Oh no, I can't.
I could straight face her to death, man. She can't even do straight face for 1 second, man. I'd be up in here talking, and I'd be like, straight face. No problem, man. All day long. You want to have a straight face challenge with me, man? Let's get it on. You know what I'm saying? Guys, this is beautiful, but we're going to hit the road. Guys, did y'all see all those trees down, man? They are down everywhere on this road. We're at an overlook right now looking over the Mulberry River, man. It is absolutely beautiful, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep driving on this road, see if we can make it all the way to Ozarks. And when we get there, the Ozarks restaurant's either gonna be open and we're gonna get something to eat, or it's gonna be closed and we're just gonna turn around and see what else we can find. Glad y'all are still here. Guys, I ain't even joking, man. We walk in the Ozarks Cafe and the dude goes, "We just lost power." They can't cook anything, man. They're just shutting down. So that's a no-go on the Ozarks Cafe, man. Sorry about all the hype. But if you guys ever get up in this neck of the woods, man, y'all got to try it out. It is super good. I ain't even joking. We're getting back on the road. These waterfalls are awesome today, man. We pretty much got out of the snow. That's all up in the high mountains, and we're making our way down to the bottom. We're still trying to find somewhere to eat, man, but we had to stop because right here is absolutely beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Guys, we made it to Clarksville, Arkansas, ended up downtown, and we came over here to the Wrecked Canoe Bistro and Patio, and we're gonna get our grub on, you know what I'm saying? Because they're open and we're super hungry. Don't go anywhere, we're not quite finished. Boom. All right, guys, we're done, man. The Wrecked Canoe was awesome. That's gonna do it for this video, man. If y'all haven't subscribed yet, please do so. If you liked any part of our little adventure, give us a great big huge thumbs up. Like, man, if you liked any part of our adventure, give us a great big huge thumbs up, like, man. And if you got anything to say, just drop it right there in the comments. That's all you have to do. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.